Find out which vegetables to plant in the UK with this interactive UK vegetable sowing calendar. Check out the list in the description and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with January. Indoor sowing: aubergine, cabbage, cauliflower, leek, lettuce, onion, tomato. Outdoor sowing: broad bean, pea. Harvesting: artichoke, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, chicory, kale, leek, lettuce, parsnip, swede. For February: indoor sowing: artichoke, aubergine, broad bean, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, onion, pepper, tomato. Outdoor sowing: broad bean, carrot, parsnip, pea, radish. Harvesting: broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, chicory, kale, leek, lettuce, parsnip, swede. For March: indoor sowing: artichoke, asparagus, aubergine, broad bean, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, cauliflower, celeriac, celery, courgette, cucumber, kale, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, onion, pepper, shallot, squash, sweet corn, tomato. Outdoor sowing: artichoke, broad bean, beetroot, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, kale, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, parsnip, pea, radish, rocket, samphire, shallot, spinach, spring onion, turnip. Harvesting: broccoli, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, kale, leek, lettuce, spring onion, swede. For April: indoor sowing: asparagus, aubergine, broad bean, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, cauliflower, celeriac, celery, climbing bean, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, kale, kohlrabi, leek, marrow, onion, pepper, pumpkin, runner bean, shallot, squash, sweet corn, tomato. Outdoor sowing: artichoke, broad bean, beetroot, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, chard, chicory, courgette, kale, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, parsnip, pea, radish, rocket, samphire, shallot, spinach, spring onion, turnip. Harvesting: broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, lettuce, radish, spring onion. For May: indoor sowing: climbing bean, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, celery, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, kale, leek, pumpkin, runner bean, squash, sweet corn. Outdoor sowing: beetroot, broad bean, broccoli, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, chard, climbing bean, chicory, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, kale, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, pak choi, parsnip, pea, pumpkin, radish, rocket, runner bean, samphire, spinach, spring onion, squash, swede, sweet corn, turnip. Harvesting: asparagus, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, garlic, lettuce, pea, radish, rocket, samphire, spinach, spring onion. For June: indoor sowing: pumpkin. Outdoor sowing: beetroot, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, chard, Chinese cabbage, climbing bean, cucumber, dwarf bean, kohlrabi, lettuce, pak choi, pea, pumpkin, radish, rocket, runner bean, spinach, spring onion, swede. Harvesting: asparagus, beetroot, broccoli, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, garlic, lettuce, pak choi, pea, potato, radish, rocket, samphire, spinach, spring onion, tomato, turnip. For July: outdoor sowing: beetroot, cabbage, carrot, chard, Chinese cabbage, climbing bean, dwarf bean, kohlrabi, lettuce, pak choi, radish, rocket, runner bean, spinach, spring onion, swede. Harvesting: artichoke, beetroot, broccoli, broad bean, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, chard, climbing bean, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, garlic, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, pak choi, pea, pepper, potato, radish, rocket, runner bean, samphire, spinach, spring onion, squash, tomato, turnip. For August: outdoor sowing: cabbage, Chinese cabbage, kale, lettuce, pak choi, radish, rocket, spinach, spring onion. Harvesting: artichoke, aubergine, beetroot, broccoli, broad bean, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, celeriac, celery, chard, climbing bean, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, garlic, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, onion, pak choi, pea, pepper, potato, pumpkin, radish, rocket, runner bean, samphire, shallot, spinach, spring onion, squash, sweet corn, tomato, turnip. For September, indoor sowing, lettuce, outdoor sowing, radish, spring onion, harvesting, artichoke, globe, aubergine, beetroot, broad bean, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, celeriac, celery, chard, Chinese cabbage, climbing bean, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, garlic, kale, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, onion, pak choi, pea, pepper, potato, pumpkin, radish, rocket, runner bean, samphire, shallot, spinach, spring onion, squash, sweet corn, tomato, turnip. For October, indoor sowing, lettuce, outdoor sowing, broad bean, pea, harvesting, artichoke, aubergine, beetroot, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, celeriac, celery, chard, chicory, Chinese cabbage, climbing bean, courgette, cucumber, dwarf bean, kale, kohlrabi, leek, lettuce, marrow, pak choi, parsnip, pepper, potato, pumpkin, radish, rocket, runner bean, samphire, shallot, spinach, spring onion, squash, swede, tomato, turnip. For November, indoor sowing, lettuce, onion, outdoor sowing, broad bean, pea, harvesting, artichoke, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, celeriac, celery, chard, chicory, Chinese cabbage, kale, leek, lettuce, parsnip, potato, pumpkin, samphire, swede. For December, indoor sowing, lettuce, onion outdoor sowing, broad bean, harvesting, artichoke, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, celeriac, chicory, kale, leek, lettuce, parsnip, potato, swede. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more organic gardening tips and inspiration. See you next time.